If you were charged with driving under the influence in Tacoma, Pierce County, Seattle, King County, or on JBLM, the skilled DUI lawyers at Derflinger Oliver & Associates can help you in your defense. We prepared this video to provide you with some information about DUI, DWI, and BUI and how our attorneys can help you. Call today for your free consultation. I've had a lot of clients ask me whether or not their licenses are still good, because frequently what happens when they get arrested for DUI, the officer will actually punch a hole in the license. And the short story is, if your license was good at the time you were pulled over for DUI, it's still going to be good for at least 60 days following your arrest. But you only have 20 days to request a hearing with Department of Licensing, otherwise you're going to lose your license. Now, a skilled DUI attorney can help you prepare that paperwork and file it with the Department of Licensing to request that hearing. The DUI attorney then would appear at the hearing for you, which is generally done over the telephone, and would represent you in that to try and fight for your license. Now, if your DUI attorney loses that hearing, then you're going to get something from Department of Licensing that says your license is good until this date, at which point you can't drive. Now, you still have options, because you can get an ignition interlock license, and that basically means you have to go down and apply for it. So you have to get an ignition interlock installed in your vehicle, and there are a lot of companies out there who will do that for you, and your attorney can help you arrange that. You have to pay $100 to Department of Licensing to get the ignition interlock license, and you have to have an SR22 high-risk insurance certificate, and there are a lot of insurance companies that will take care of that for you. If you do all of that, then you get the ignition interlock license, and you're again licensed to drive. If you have any question at all about whether or not your license is good, talk to a skilled DUI attorney. They can answer your questions for you. The most important thing you want to avoid, though, is if you drive without a valid license and you get caught driving without that license, the judge can throw you back in jail. So talk to a DUI attorney, get the answer to the question about whether your license is good, and go from there. But don't risk driving unless you know for sure that your license is still good.